Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto video. And very funny, the majority of the articles I've read over the last couple of hours are talking about two things. Three things, I should actually say. One is the Ethereum hard fork. Two is how bullish crypto is looking right now. And three is the infrastructure bill. Everybody has changed their narrative from, oh no, how low can crypto go? How low can it fall to, oh my days, how bullish will it be? When will we see all-time high again for Bitcoin? Things have really been looking good over the last couple of hours, and all I can say is I'm excited and I'm taking it all. I am taking it all. Guys, if you are bullish on crypto right now, let me know in the comment section down below by typing yes. If you're bearish, get out of this chat. All right, so Bitcoin looks primed to run to 47,000. Together with this article right here, Bitcoin price prediction, the outlook for the rest of 2021. Basically, the conclusion, here's why Bitcoin can challenge its all-time high later this year. And all in all, people are just ridiculously excited. I've researched a lot, all right? I've read through a lot of articles. There's a lot of talk of this whale manipulation in a positive light. There's a lot of talk about the bigger banks and bigger institutions hopping on in, together with Germany, for example, too. Guys, things are just looking really good. You can't go around it right now. Then, of course, the second part, which is this bill, of which a good part is going to be decided tomorrow, I have read, again, Saturday. And exactly to what extent it'll be decided tomorrow, I am not sure. But I guess we shall see, right? In the end of things, I'm not able to make any difference whatsoever, except for giving you guys the updates whenever they're due and whenever they come out, which is exactly what I'll keep doing regardless of what comes out right now. You know, I'll keep updating you guys whenever I find something new, but this is not new, just the same stuff again. All right, Elon Musk's latest Twitter profile, change is bad for Dogecoin community. After a multi-week reign, Doge is no longer on Elon Musk's Twitter profile picture, and one of the most fun parts about this is that people care this much about Elon Musk. Isn't that insane? That people will literally almost cry if Elon Musk changes his profile picture. Not gonna tell you there's something wrong, but it definitely feels as if there's something wrong with the crypto space right now, specifically on that regard. Even though I really like Elon Musk for a lot of things he does, screw him when it comes to crypto. Why make it as if he's such a game maker, game breaker? He really doesn't do that much. He can't do that much anymore, right? He had a lot of influence, but it's mostly gone right now. And if he's changing his profile picture, who gives a crap, man? Who cares? Come on, don't let your day get ruined by something like that. Then, since the London hard fork, which is our part 3, went live, over $11 million worth of Ether has already been burned. I can't really say too much about that except for saying, yeah, the hard fork was a success. It's been looking pretty good, and about $500,000 an hour is going to be and has been burned, which all I can say about it is pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Then XRP Captain 590 posted, we'll see this soon. And it's kind of a hopium post, which is US SEC. Ripple settles SEC fraud charges, 2 executives with conducting $1.3 billion unregistered securities offering, resolve securities law charge. And at first I was really scared and really shocked because I did not read what he said. I just read the article. I was like, oh no, I was panicking, all right? For a good 4 seconds, I was in a good panic reading this. And then I saw, we'll see this soon. Yeah, it let me down kind of, but you know, I'm really hoping for that day. Once more, I think that my Twitter and my phone will be blowing up if it happens though, so I'm not too afraid for it, but damn, all right? It shocked me a little bit, and maybe I should start the video by saying, oh guys, look at what I just saw, and then tell you this could happen soon. But I'm not that type of guy. I think that's too cruel, all right? I don't want to give you guys that big of a hopium, so I'm not going to do that, but in the end of things, I kind of wanted to because I got so shocked. All right. Then, the light shines in the darkness posted, Congress is being made aware of national security issues about the SWIFT payment network. Cost, speed, vulnerable to cyber attacks, and the lack of interoperability with new systems. RippleNet named as an alternative with a few others. And I saw a lot of the guys post this over in the Discord. This is the Congressional Research Service informing the legislative debate since 1914. International Financial Messaging Systems. I'm, by the way, not sure if this is all legit. I know it's the FAS, but I don't know how it works, really. Once more, this type of stuff is a little bit out of my jurisdiction, so I'm going to just give the info as I find it, and for you to legitimize it for yourself. You know, it could be fake, it could be something to it. I just give you the info. A range of private sector entities, including financial technology, startups, long-established financial institutions, and social media companies, among others, aim to decrease frictions in cross-border payments, primarily by using blockchain technology to increase security and transparency, while decreasing costs and processing time of cross-border payments. Ripple, a California-based fintech company, for example, operates a blockchain-based payment network called RippleNet. Ripple claims hundreds of financial institutions in over 55 countries are connected to its network, and its network facilitates cross-border payments faster, cheaper than legacy systems. Its network offers both financial messaging and clearing and settlement services. RippleNet's messaging system uses a decentralized network so that all users are on one platform, allowing for bidirectional messaging and higher transparency. This allows end users to track payment movement while decreasing cost and time for settlement. Ripple's market share in the cross-border payment market is unclear, but it has stated that its network processed almost 3 million transactions in 2020, nearly 5 times the amount in 2019, and most likely 2021 a lot more even, as usually that's how these companies go, right? They keep increasing as time moves on. And even though they have the biggest lawsuit in crypto going on right now, I still think they're doing quite well. I mean, it's just kind of I guess it's just kind of an expectation of what we've seen for all the reports thus far, that they're still expanding and still doing good. Another new payment network that uses blockchain tech is JP Morgan's Link, but screw that, I guess. Here's another small mention at the bottom. A number of domestic and international payment systems have adopted or are in the process of adopting ISO 20022, including SWIFT, China's CIPS, and Russia's SPFS, and of course, Ripple. And then concerns and issues regarding Swift. We all know about that, though. We know Swift is not the ultimate part of it. We got Swift Go coming up, and I guess that's a little bit in the good direction, but it's not the end, and it's still just Swift is very, very down under. Just they're not good for this newer realm. They're not good enough. Let's call it like that. Then a little fun post. Rob Art posted. My psychiatrist says, Rob, so this $7 to $13 XRP. Is it in the room with us right now? And that, of course, refers to if you're, kind of a little bit cuckoo, that maybe you're seeing that $7 to $13. You keep talking about it, yet nobody else can see and know exactly what you're talking about except for you. It's kind of a little fun thing just to... I don't know, guys. I don't know if I should include these fun little stuffies. I guess so. Why not, right? I'm not going to pronounce this name. Has said... Ripple may finally escape SEC's den thanks to this proposed crypto legislation. I had a discussion about this earlier today as well. People were just going back and forth with me on this specific part of, well, what exactly does the crypto legislation in the new bill mean for XRP? Well, it basically just means if it gets pulled through, it's going to be pretty bullish for XRP on its own, yet pretty negative for crypto. And that depends on the amendment which is about to come in, because if, for example, the broker is not specified in a nice way, well, since smart contracts and everything we know in the crypto realm, we have to monitor it so severely, it's going to be quite annoying. And I mean, the decision is going to be tomorrow, right? So why waste our time right now with this bill until we can, I guess, get a better verdict tomorrow and then know it for sure? Right now, it's just speculating as to what might or might not happen. But all I'm saying is be careful with all the trades right now, because tomorrow might be a pretty crazy day. I'm just putting it up right now for all you guys to understand. Tomorrow might be a crazy day if some crazy decision is made and people get wind of that. Then this little timeline here, I'll dedicate a whole video to. A lot of you guys said, Dusty, this $17,000 XRP that you were talking about last week, where was it from? Because I saw that a couple of times in the comment section. We'll talk about it more in depth, all right? I got you guys. A lot of you have been requesting it. It's not my cup of tea, though, all right? It really isn't, but I will cover it because you guys have been requesting it, so stay tuned for that. And then XRP MasterCard is here. Who else signed up? A lot of people got an email that if you are on, I'm not exactly sure where it was anymore, through Global ID, you can actually get yourself an XRP card right now. But I've told all my friends, why would you want an XRP card, right? The only purpose you might want a card like that for is if you want to use your USDTC, whatever, for it. If you're going to spend XRP to buy things, you're most likely going to regret it. So why even give yourself the option for the cashback? Or, I mean, well, yeah, but no. Like, spending crypto right now is really not in my best interest, so I really don't encourage my friends and people I know to do it. Of course, I'll never tell you shouldn't, yet it's a difficult one for me. It's only if you have all your money, for example, in crypto, and there's still things you need to buy where I'm like, okay, I guess. But keeping all your money in crypto is never something I would recommend to people either, so it's just really confusing for me. Like, what is the best thing to say? What is the best thing to do? I'm not going to sign up for a card like this. If it's a Tether type of card, okay, I'll definitely use that. I guess it's not really bad. If it's another card which just uses euros or dollars, I'm always up for it. Where you have the option to spend crypto, okay, but I'm just not a fan of using my XRP, guys. I'm just not a fan of it at all. I just think it's a bad idea because I'm going to regret it. And again, that's just my own personal opinion, though. Right now, there's a $1,000 in total $1,600 bonus over on Bybit. You can get more bonuses, though. Just check it out. Links down below. There's a couple competitions coming up soon here. I just got an email that there's going to be a team-based competition happening, I believe, the 18th. Wait, let me quickly type it in, guys. Bybit. Let me quickly check it out. So there's 7 or 8 competitions coming up. There is register at Bybit, $1,600 plus 0 fees for spot, plus 300% API and cloud mining that is going on right now. Then it says below, Bybit will be starting a trading competition with prize pool of $7.5 million and 1,000 NFTs and 20% fee discount in August. Submit the link to the marathon. I'm not exactly sure what that is supposed to be. That's a marathon. So there's a $1,000 bonus. There's this 40% discount and 0 maker fees. There's this affiliate marathon. I'm not exactly sure what that is. Release of new coins. Many new coins released under USDT contracts. Bybit cloud mining and DeFi mining. All new users are given the option to purchase cloud mining that gives 300% and 400% APY. All users can purchase DeFi mining released every day. There's this first time trader campaign, which starts the 10th of August, which means all you... Okay, I maybe shouldn't have told you guys about that just quite yet, but I don't care. All users who trade for the first time can receive up to $100 bonus based on wallet balance. And then there's the big trade competition, which more info is going to be given on the 10th of August, which has a prize pool of $7 million, team-based and solo-based rounds. And, wow, that looks pretty interesting. I'm just, yeah, that's enough for now. That's enough info. I'm not sure exactly if I could share it all, but screw them, right? I give you guys the info whenever I get it. And I'll see you guys again in another crypto video soon.